What is this whole 3 steps to the Freedom Launch system that we created?
What is it?
Now, this is amazing, and we got a lot more stuff coming, with this 3-step Freedom Launch system, but we want to go over the steps with you this evening because we just want to share with you the value and what's powerful, what's working, and what's really taking things to a whole new level. Now, let's talk about the first one, right?
Yep.
Everybody in their business, we all know they need the right tools, right? If you don't have the right tools in your business, there's no way that you can really build a system.
That's
okay?
right.
And what we've done is we've mapped out a system for our team that's working like gangbusters. And it's really done in a few simple steps.
Yes.
So when we talk about tools, we talk about email marketing, domains, hosting. That kind of stuff is kind of boring. People look at it and go, oh God, it's tech, right? So what we do is we take that boringness away and we say, let us handle that boring part, right? The tech stuff, the difficult stuff that you find difficult
and we get it done in a short period of time.
And we get it done in a short period of time.
That's right.
And because we understand it, right?
Yes.
So we rather bring you guys to the edge of the cliff, build your wings on the way down, right? That's what we like to call it. So when it comes to like email marketing tools, domains, hosting, right? Having a domain name, email, all the things that you need in your business, we take care of that for you.
Everything.
But one thing, even though these tools are great, and you might know about these tools and you might not, but don't worry about it even if you don't know, because we got that covered for you. What about the mindset shift, okay? You're not just buying something here. You're not just buying, little tools here and there. You're activating a system that can work for you.
That's right.
All right? And we point guide direct you in what to have. So once we actually are working with you, we do this setup for you. We set those tools up for you so you have more leverage in your business. And we're talking about like a domain name, $10 to $13 a year, right? Really inexpensive tools. Autoresponder, you can start off with like a free trial or 30 days now.
I know, right?
And then after that, it's probably $13. Right?
Exactly.
Actually, less than that, $8
exactly.
a month, right? So it's really, really cheap. But these tools are necessary for your business as far as like email marketing, domains, hosting, and things like that. Because we know what you're going to need with these tools. This is why we actually point guide direct you to these tools. Then once you make these purchases on the tools, we set them up for you so you don't have to.
And it doesn't matter if you're a total beginner, a seasoned veteran, or someone that actually understands this game well, then more than anybody, you still need it too.
And here's the common mistakes people make, right? They think they know the right tools, and they haven't really done any testing, so they don't know what works in the marketplace because they really just don't know. So you don't know what you don't know, right? But once you start learning what works, which we've done a lot of testing with different things.
Yes.
Case in point, let me give you an example. Aweber was great for many, many years, but Aweber just changed their process when it came to an autoresponder. Now they charge you for sending limits. Well, what does that mean for you? That just means you have to pay more money out of pocket. So what we learned about being an entrepreneur, no matter how much money we make, we want to keep more money in our pocket, but we want to receive more money from our marketing.
That's right.
Okay? So yeah, you got to invest a little bit. We understand that, but we're trying to keep that investment cost low.
Absolutely.
So that we can focus on the marketing where you actually do your advertising.
And that's where the focus needs to be, is on the marketing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's why people really mess it up, because they're so stuck trying to put the tools together that they don't know what they're doing, and it's not their fault, right? It's just something that's unfamiliar to them. It might be unfamiliar to you, and that's where we take over and solve that problem for you. But once you have it all together, right, you don't have that headache anymore, that weight is lifted, and you can focus and be a lot more clear and see the results coming in, because that's what it's all about.